In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to show items on desktop MacBook M3 Pro. So let's jump right in this video without wasting any second. So what you have to do, we're gonna have to go to here, top here, system settings. And here we're gonna have to go to desktop and dock. And here we have show items. And if I check this, then I'll be able to see the actually items on my screen. Also, if you want to disable the this stage manager, you can just click on here and only in stage manager. Now if you click on the screen, you will not stage manager won't be active. You also can enable from here stage manager, but we don't want to show here other things related to stage manager and also things related to item show items. But here something really important is if you also go to Finder here and then you go to the Finder here settings, here you can also show items, show these items on the desktop. So if you maybe you uncheck this, you still won't be able to see anything. So yeah, it's from here you can also show hard disks or external disks or connect the servers. And this was pretty annoying when I just just started to set up the MacBook, and that's the first thing I'm doing because I don't want to see anything, pretty much anything related to folders. I want my desktop to be clear. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials.